Hi guys, in this video we are going to see the unboxing video of the LED bright light. Here's the light. About the product, it cost rupees 250 and I bought it from Amazon. Now let's check the light. This is my Rode A50. I am going to set this light in the cycle. This is the bright mode, dim mode, blinking mode. This is a danger light when there is no charge on the light. The disadvantage of this light is it has a very low quality rubber strap which can wear off very easily. The advantage of this is we can remove it and take it anywhere. Thank you. Subscribe this.